Hey, what's up everyone? BitMeSun back with another Bitcoin video. So currently right now I'm on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. Today's video we're just going to go over a few different charts, find a few different price targets, and see where we could be heading in the next day or so. We were moving up a little bit, but as you can see, these last few candles, this is on a 5-minute time frame. We've actually been dropping. We actually took a big drop literally right now as I was getting these charts ready. It was starting to drop, and we were watching it very closely too. That's the thing. So once we broke this level, it just started dumping, but it is catching support right here now. So I just want to find out where the support is at. Let's see. So what I'll do is I'll go to the very bottom, see what the low is, 29,914. So right there. So what this is going to tell me is going to tell me where the support and resistance were at. So look, right here, reject it. Let me see. Look, reject it right here, reject it right here, came above it, support, came underneath it, support pretty much. So we're definitely respecting this line. So, and look at, now we're pumping up. Current price is 30,030, and this is what you want to look for. Things like that break of structure, that lets us know we're coming down. And then once we hit a bottom right here, you ride it back up, you know. So I think this opening could be at 30,100, so we could possibly push up to this 30,100. And then that'll be our next target. So we're going to be trading inside of there. If we break above this line, then we're going to go up. But I think if we break below this line, then we're going to come down. Alright, and let's check this other chart. So this chart was on the daily. So as you can see, we're pretty much staying above this line right here. That's the daily. Let me just check the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour. So you guys can see this right here will be the alright, so as you can see, my computer froze. Alright, there it goes. Alright, so as you guys remember, we were riding up this line right here. I don't know why there's a yellow one there. Alright, so the white lines are pretty much just like they're fib lines that are already there. So I'm just following those lines. But as you can see, we have this kind of pennant forming. And with this forming, it usually continuates this way. So I'm assuming it's probably going to go this way. But we are getting rejected. But we're also not falling lower than this line right here. Alright, oh, there it goes. Now we're moving our way down. As I said it right there. So as you can see, this is where we're going to be needing to break. Pretty much 30,028. It's pretty much where we're at right now. Let's see, it would probably be around 30,045, and we're currently 30,045 right now, so I think that'll be the area. If we break, then we're coming down. So if we break 30,045, look, as I said, at 30,060, so look at, we're getting that bounce right here on this line. So that's what is confirming this move. So the thing is if we don't break this line, then we're continuing up this way, up this line. So this is just a scare tactic, I believe. But if you notice, this wick went way up here. This wick also went way down here. So as you can see, just from those two things alone, that's the range we're in. But like I said, this wick up was pretty long. So if we don't break this bottom line right here, then we're staying on course, and we'll find out which way we break out of this pennant. All right, let's check this other chart. And if you guys haven't liked and subscribed yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate everybody that hit that like and subscribe button for me. It means a lot. Thank you guys for doing that. All right, so as you guys can know, as you guys can notice, this is a 4-hour time frame. I have this line coming down. That was resistance and support. Now, you see that there. Then we moved up again, but then I had this line letting me know, and then look at now, came above it and support now. So now where I have this one at, this one going this way, that's the line that we need to stay above. So we did break above it, and we just broke right back into it. So that's kind of letting me know that we're not as strong as I thought, because we would have kept going, so the fact that we're back inside of this triangle, that's where we are catching this area. Like I said, I think we could go as low as 29,753. 29,753. I think, because this is also one of these yeah, that's gonna be the area right there, pretty much where that box is at. So we just need to stay inside of this box, this one right here. So as long as we stay into that, we could still be moving up. But yeah, so we're gonna have to see what comes next. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, that's my work alarm. I'm gonna be having to go to work pretty soon. Alright, so this will be the last chart right here. This is on a daily time frame. As you guys can see, we're creating pretty much a triangle right here. We also had like a bull flag kind of coming like this, and we broke out of it, gave it a retest, and this is what we're kind of doing now. So I think our first target will be this top is at 32,126, and then next one will be 32,640, and then after that one will be 34,222. So I mean, this chart is telling me this is on the daily, so I mean, if this is still correct, you know, we actually came out this much. So as long as it stays in this box, the next one will probably go up to there too. And if we break above going this way, then these other targets are going to be coming into play. So like I said, we don't really panic yet. It's not really much to worry about. But yeah, once we start breaking these areas, and if you notice, there's a 25 moving average right here, this blue line. This blue line is where we're getting a bounce at. So like I said, if we get a bounce, then I think our next area will be closing around there. Alright, but yeah, that's kind of what I got so far for Bitcoin. As you guys can see, this current price right now is 30,055. We need to push up towards 30,112 first, and then after that, if we could break 30,157, then we could be seeing a higher pricing. But I think this 30,112 is where we could be getting a rejection, and then if we keep continuing down, then we're just going to keep going into these boxes. Look, pretty much, you know, we're getting a bounce at this box there. So if we come down, it'll be a bounce at that one, probably a bounce at that one. Alright, but yeah, that's kind of what I got so far for Bitcoin. I appreciate you guys all for watching this far into the video. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, it'll really help out. I appreciate you guys always watching every single day. Let me give a few price targets actually. Current price is 30,047. We need to stay above 29,915 and also 29,773. If we could do that, then our next target is 30,285. So if we could break 2,085 or 30,285, then we'll be pushing up towards, I believe, 29,837. Or actually, no, sorry, that wasn't right. 30,313 is what I meant. Alright, and then if we could break 30,718, then we're gonna be pushing up higher for sure. So 30,379 is the peak, I would believe, as of now. Alright, but yeah, that's kind of what I got. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and you guys make sure you hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.